The babysitter's ready to be on duty when Mum and Dad are away.
Come here, Dad. Come here, down here.
Give me a kiss.
Come down from there.
Aww.
Играешь лошадкой? Она хорошая? Она хорошая.
No, don't give that to her.
Well, at least the flapping ears are entertaining despite the noise he makes.
Oh, no.
Good morning, guys. Did you have a nice sleep?
Yeah.
Can I have a cuddle of Freddie? Freddie. Oh, hi, Fred.
Good morning, dear parents. Good morning to you. Yay!
来吧，每天都过来串一下门子啊，小喜鹊，每天都来。
Animals and babies really are the cutest and funniest combo. Don't miss the next video.
可像小孩呢，太。
No. No.
She's okay. I know, she's okay.
Trainee and her little trainer. We couldn't ask for more.
Give us some knife. You okay? Is she okay? Do you want me to help her? Okay.
One. Two done.
Right?
Yep. Rah, rah, rah.
Chưa đúng. Nói.
The true definition of watching over nap time, professional and affectionate. Now that's what I call the perfect way to start the day.
Say mama. Not you. What's that doggy doing?
Come on, buddy. You've got a baby sibling now. Stop hogging the spotlight.
What's wrong, Pooh? He's okay. He's okay.
Looks like that little four-legged guy is really into this game too.
Lucifer.
Are we taking the baby somewhere? Okay. You go in a car? Can you drop? Drop it. Drop. Good boy. Goes home. We bring him home. Aw, do you like him?
Good. Oh, really good. Then Freddy come back.
Freddy, come back. Go get it, Fred. Go get it. Go on.
Okay. 7, 8.
Give it to Ruby. Give it to Ruby. Here.
I can fit you. He doesn't want you to go to daycare.
Eu pergunto a vocês: tem quem aguenta? Tem quem aguente um negócio desse? Tem quem aguente, pelo amor de Deus? Tem quem aguente o negócio?
Look at her face. She must have been so proud of this angel.
Look at him.
Oh my goodness, he looks so cute, buddy.
Give them my glasses.
Did you put glasses on him?
Do ba do do do. A do ba do ba do 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 ba do. A do ba do ba do. A do ba do ba do do do.
你别笑。你别笑。
Was gentle. The dog be like, a good babysitter knows how to make the baby laugh. Watch and learn.
Yeah.
gentle. Don't push. Don't push him. No, don't push him. Don't push him.
This is exactly the beginning of an inseparable bond.
Can this be called inheritance? Because now his little soul will walk everywhere instead of the parents.
Ready. 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 Yeah.
Who needs a park when they can have this much fun at home?
Being paid off after a long day of being a free bodyguard like this sounds pretty good.
Very want to go to sea.
You do not.
You will be.
Gentle.
We are on your head.
Gentle with Freddie, please. Take the book off his head, honey.
Then go. Mix my thing. Dad, Thomas.
Practical lessons are crucial, you know, even when it can be dirty and full of chaos.